Why, God? Why? My reflection is my enemy. Why? Why this man come into my reflection, not me? Please give me answer, God. Please give me. If he will come out from this mirror, then I will destroy him. Now it's time for my practice. Where I am? Which place it is? It feels very hot. Oh, what? It is the home of fireman? Iceman? What are you doing here? This is a very good chance to destroy you. Let's fight. I will destroy you.
I am God, the maker of both of you. I made you good for survival of living creatures and maintain balance in nature. Without both of you, no one can survive. So stop fighting and become friends.